What's going on, guys? We're here at Micro Center and HYTE is showing off some new gear that's going to launch at CES. So let's go inside and see what they got. So here we have the brand new THICC Q80 Trio. Of course, this is the follow-up to the original THICC Q60. The big change here is now we have a 360 millimeter radiator. Also, it's still thick, so you're still getting 52 millimeters thick on the radiator itself. The fans, one thing you'll notice about these fans, it's one single piece, which is gonna make installation really, really easy. Of course, it's gonna be better for airflow as well. When it comes to the cold plate, they've completely redesigned this cold plate as well. So nice to see there. We still get that 5-inch touchscreen that everybody loved on the original Q60, so you're gonna get that. Now this is gonna launch sometime around CES. Pricing should be anywhere from around $349 to maybe a little bit more expensive than that. We have the all black version here, but they're also gonna have an all white where everything is gonna be white as well. Now we have HYTE's brand new powered USB hub. Of course, all of our motherboards, most of the time, only have 2 internal USB hubs. And if you're connecting a lot of devices, you need definitely more than 2. So what this does is it takes a SATA power connector and an internal USB, and it uses a Type-C, and that's gonna give you 4 powered USB headers. So these are USB 2.0 headers. Really nice design on this. This dial will turn them on and off really easily. But the thing I love about this most, besides giving us more USB 2.0 headers, is that it's fully magnetic. So, you know, our cases, easy to put on. You don't have to worry about two-sided tape or anything like that. Now, we don't have a price on this just yet, but it will be launching right around January at CES. HYTE has a new Y70. This is their Y70 Touch Infinite, and one of the big changes is gonna be the screen. So this is gonna be their 3rd generation screen here, and it is a 10-point touch screen, so you can do all the fun stuff. You know, you can play Tetris, you can do all that. Really responsive, which is really, really nice. This is gonna launch in all of their colorways that you know, the white, the black, the red, all of that. It's gonna be $379.99. It's available on HYTE.com, but you should see it at other retailers really soon. Now, if we move in here, you can see this small little light bar right here. This is what HYTE is calling their Noodle. It's not on because this is a very early prototype, but you can see it go around the entire edge of the case here. And they're gonna have one designed specifically for the Y70 and another one designed for the Y60. This is a diffused light bar. It's gonna be available in white and black, and of course it's gonna be RGB, so you're gonna have all the colors that you want. That's also gonna launch sometime in January around CES. So here we have the HYTE Keyb with the Honkai Star Rail custom keycaps here. Now these are gonna be available sometime in December around $129. Of course, they're showing it off here on their Keyb keyboard. We all saw this back in January at CES. This is sort of like their flagship keyboard, but if we look at the keycap set, really, really nice here. And if you're a fan of Honkai Star Rail, this is gonna be the keycap set that you want. So those are all the new products here from HYTE. Now, if you have any questions about these products, leave a comment below. But if you did enjoy this video, I would appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next video.